Yo, before we get into this video, man, make sure you do this right here. Yao Ming? All right, cool. Let's get into it.
Pick a shoe out the shroom, that's how the day be. Whoa, got way more kicks than a pregnant lady. Hey, yeah, started off with the son, the trade master. He's stealing trays like he the hat slinging slasher.
YouTube, what is good? Generational Hype Beast is back at you with yet another video, man. And before I get into this video any further, man, let me first say thank you to all of the new subs that we have picked up in the last couple of weeks, man. We got like a 20 to 30 sub boost, man. That's fantastic for your boy Pops, man. I'm not greedy. I'm definitely happy that everybody continues to support us, man. We are on the road to 5K. So please share us with your friends, man. Let them know about the channel. Tell them to come pull up. And when we get to 5K, man, we're going to do another giveaway. So looking forward to that. And that's it on that, man. So let's get into what we have today, man. Today is the 17th of April. God, that was so hard.
What you talking about, Dad?
Yo, my days are just blurring together, man. Coming down to the wire with track and field, man. We got region next week, and then it's just gonna be boom, boom, boom. Track season will be over, and I'll get a little bit more time back, man, which will be fantastic because, you know, it's tough during track season, y'all. But today, like I said, is the 17th. And next week, so this upcoming Saturday is 420.
Shout, I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't sell marijuana plants.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We do not sell marijuana here.
I have my own.
Shout out to all my 420 folks, man. I don't indulge, but you know, if you do, if that's your thing, man, hey. Enjoy, right? But yeah, 420, man, you got the Walk the Dogs coming out. I don't know if y'all SB fans or actually Dunk fans, so if you are, man, good luck on that. I am gonna try to pick up a pair so I can show them to y'all, man, but if I don't, it is what it is, right? But the week after that, man, we got some heat coming, man, and that is what I'm bringing to you today. So the plug hit me up and was like, yo, got these guys, man. You want them? I was like, yes. I know a lot of people feel a certain way about them, but, you know, your boy Pops, I like different, man, and these guys are different, so I had to have them. So let's get into this. Of course, once you see the box, you already know what it is, man. Got my lights super bright on here, man. Hopefully y'all can see this box. It's got Nike on top. You can tell by that color what it is, man. There's got some branding right there, man. The Fear of God right there in that corner. There we go. There we go. You can see that right there. Very subtle, very subtle. Nothing on this backside. Standard stuff on the bottom. And let's get into the description, man. So these are the Nike Air Fear of God MOC, aka the moccasins, man. And this colorway is pure platinum, black, and sail, man. And this is a size 10.5. Suggested retail value of $170. That is what I paid for them. So let's get into these shoes, man. I've seen a lot of people talking about these shoes. They don't like them, all this and that. Hey, I'm cool with that, man. I don't need you to like them for me to like them. That's for sure. But I genuinely like these guys, man. And here we are, man. Here we have it. Moccasin guys, man. First thing off the rip is the color. I know it said platinum, but to me it's just a gray. It's just a gray with the sail colored midsole. Let's get into some of the details about it. It does not have a lacing system at all, no laces. It's like a sock shoe, it really is. It's got one strap across the top, and it's got this drawstring in the back to kind of cinch up your ankle support. It's what I hear. I have not tried it on yet, so we're gonna get into that in a second. Other than that, man, the upper is all of a mesh type material. It's got this stitching, this kind of different stitching going across the front. Hopefully you can see that right there. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of stitching there. They kind of cinch up on the sides, get bigger on the toe box and come back. That's pretty clean. It's got the exact same toe box as the Fear of God ones. Maybe it's not exactly the same, but it's pretty close. It obviously doesn't have that 3M surrounding the toe box, but as far as the rubber itself, it definitely is reminiscent. When they reminisce over you, my God, that's for y'all old heads. On the sole, man, the sole is definitely like a lifestyle type of sole. If you remember on the Fear of Gods, both pairs, it had that circular traction pattern. I'm just gonna leave those right there since I keep going back to it. And these have just a little raised squares, man. Just a gazillion of those raised little squares. It does still have the air unit going on that. And the only Fear of God Air 180, Fear of God, and then that serial number that was consistent with the other. Let's make sure that serial number is the same. 8329166, yeah. Service number, military service number, that's what that is. But that number is the same, and it does have, let's see if we can get you that. Hopefully you can see that right there. Yeah, you can see that. That's the only Fear of God branding on the entire Elper. On the heel where it has Fear of God on the other, it has Nike Air there on both of them. And on this side, the exact same. As with the last couple of pairs, man, glue marks, man, got glue all over the place on this thing, man. I don't know if the Fear of Gods were rushed or what, man, but all of the pairs seem to have that excess glue kind of all over the place. If you're the type of person that bothers you, you're gonna have to do some cleaning up on this shoe. It don't bother me one bit, man. It just is what it is. I'm gonna rock the shoe anyway, so it don't matter. You do have the Nike check right here, man, on the lateral side, man, of both. And that check also is a magnet, man. So it's not a button, it's not a snap, it's just a magnet. That guy snaps in there, and it's a very strong magnet, so that'll be good. The lacing system, as you can see, not lacing system, but the little drawstring runs through this, so it holds all of this together, which is pretty cool. Let's look on the inside of the shoe. On the inside of the shoe, it does have the Fear of God on the insole. That insole is glued in, so I'm not gonna pull it out. Size tag is in there as well. It's all black insole, man. Just make sure that's uniform between both shoes. I will give you guys on feet with these, man, because I'm interested to see how they fit, and I'm sure you guys are too. I asked the plug what he thought about size, and he says true to size. So we'll see once I do the on foot whether or not that remains the case. Drop a comment, man. Let me know what you think about these guys, man. I know they got the other Fear of God coming with the Nike swoosh here. I'm definitely gonna like that, but I like this too, man. This can be clean. I'm thinking either some joggers with this guy or even some shorts with some no-shows, man. This is probably gonna be how I rock it. But y'all let me know in the comments, man, what you think about it, how you think you would rock it, whether you like it or not, man. So, other than that, man, let's see if I missed anything. It is a very clean shoe, man. It's a very clean shoe. On this lace lock here, it has nothing. Who cares? Ain't nobody down there looking at that stuff anyway. That's it, man. So, let me get to this on feet real quick, and then we'll come back and finish this video out. So 3, 2, 1. So there you have the Nike Fear of God Moccasins, man. The Air 180 Moccasins, man. But this shoe has its place, man. This shoe right here it screams summertime to me, man. This is just that slip on and go shoe, man. So if you like them, man, grab you a pair. They'll be releasing, like I said, on the 27th. Yeah, so this shoe does release on the 27th, man. Hopefully you guys are able to cop a pair. If they're anything like the last few releases, Skyline's released, very limited in like Tier 0 stores and Sneakers app. These will probably be the same thing. So hopefully if you want a pair, man, you can grab a pair. This is your boy Pop Solo Dolo. Austin is doing a 5-page something or other kind of report. So that's it, man. Dad, these guys, Cam, holla.